In today's video, we're reviewing Bertha AI and answering a very simple question. Is this one of the best AI writing assistants for WordPress? What's up, you guys? My name's Ashley, and if you've ever sat at your laptop staring at a blank blog post draft or tried writing copy for a landing page and felt completely stuck on every sentence, then this review is going to help you understand whether Bertha fits into your workflow. We're going to cover what it does, who it's built for, what it's really good at, and where it has some limits, and of course, whether it's a tool worth adding to your website stack. Let's get into it. So first off, what is Bertha AI? Bertha AI is an AI writing assistant that lives inside WordPress. So instead of opening a separate writing tool and copy and pasting your content into a blog editor, Bertha sits inside your site so you can generate content directly where you build pages and posts. You can write blog posts, product descriptions, headlines, section copy, meta descriptions, and so much more without switching tabs. The idea behind Bertha is that writing should feel easier and faster, especially for creators and business owners who are managing their own website. It helps you brainstorm ideas, structure content, and then polish wording so you don't get stuck rewriting the same intro 10 times. It can also help you keep a consistent tone, especially across long pieces. Bertha isn't trying to replace your voice. Instead, it's just trying to speed up the writing process by turning your ideas into clear copy. Think of it like a writing buddy that sits inside your website editor so your whole writing and publishing flow feels more natural. Now, let's talk about some of the main key features of Bertha AI. Number one is the WordPress-Native AI Writing. So the biggest standout feature is that Bertha is built for WordPress. That means you don't need to write inside a separate tool or copy drafts from a different app. You work right inside your editing software, like Gutenberg, Elementor, Divi, or other builders. And Bertha sits in the sidebar ready to help. If you already love working inside your WordPress dashboard, then this is one less tab, one less copy paste step, and one less place to get distracted. Number two is blog post creation and structure tools. If writing long form content scares you or you just want a faster flow, Bertha can generate topic ideas, outlines, draft paragraphs, intros, conclusions, and transitions. It guides you from idea to full post structure, so instead of facing a blank page, you always have a starting point. Even if you end up rewriting parts of it, having that first draft just makes publishing so much easier. Number three is on-page copywriting templates. Inside your builder, you can click and generate copy for headlines, hero sections, product descriptions, and service pages. If you ever tried to write a landing page and felt like every line sounded awkward or flat, this can remove stress. You get ideas instantly and then tweak the lines so they sound like you. Number four is content expansion and rewriting tools. If you have short notes or bullet points, you can highlight them and tell Bertha to expand them into a full paragraph. You can also do the opposite and shorten long, wordy sections so they feel more readable. This makes editing easier because you can shape your content as you go instead of fighting your own writing style. Number five is tone control. Bertha includes tone options so you can guide your writing style. If you want your copy to sound friendly, clear, confident, educational, or direct, you can choose a tone that fits your brand. This helps keep consistency across posts and pages, which is huge if your site has multiple pages with different messaging goals. Number six is image suggestions and generation. Some versions of Bertha include image features that help you generate or select images for your content. This is helpful if you don't like switching between your post and a design tool. Even if you don't fully rely on AI images, it's nice to have prompts and ideas while you're building. Number seven is SEO-Friendly Prompts. So writing content that sounds good is one thing, writing content that ranks is another. Bertha helps with meta descriptions, keyword-focused sections, and structured outlines. It doesn't replace full SEO strategy, but it definitely gives you a starting direction so your posts stay search friendly. Number eight is compatible with page builders. If you build your WordPress site with Elementor, Divi, Oxygen, Gutenberg, or Bricks, Bertha works inside those environments. So instead of jumping back and forth between tools, you stay where you edit. For a lot of WordPress users, that alone is a productivity win. So Bertha has a couple of different plans and pricing options. So they've got a Pro and then a Pro Unlimited, or you can pay as you go. So you really want to find an option that best fits your needs, but essentially the Pro plan is $30 per month. With this plan, you get unlimited users, 3 websites, 50,000 words per month, and then a 14-day money-back guaranteed. Then they've got the Pro Unlimited, which is $99. With this, you get unlimited users, unlimited websites, 500,000 words per month, priority support, and then that 14-day money-back guarantee as well. So you also can pay as you go as well. So if you wanted to just pay per the amount of words that you need, you can also do that as well. If you want to go ahead and download Bertha AI for free, you can go ahead and use our link down in the description below. Now, let's talk about some pros and cons so you can decide if this is a good fit for you. So one clear advantage of Bertha AI is convenience because it lives inside WordPress and popular page builders. You don't have to open another browser or tab to switch between platforms to write content. This just makes the writing experience so much smoother and keeps you in a natural flow. It's really helpful too if you already spend most of your time inside your site builder and you don't enjoy jumping around. Another major benefit is how much it reduces blank page anxiety. Bertha gives you a starting point for almost everything: blog posts, landing pages, headlines, and product descriptions, instead of struggling to come up with ideas or phrasing from scratch. You get drafts you can refine. That alone can save hours for creators and business owners who don't see themselves as writers. It's also a big plus that Bertha supports long form and short form content. Some AI tools do one or the other, but Bertha handles blogs, sales copy, feature lists, FAQs, and even small text sections inside banners or buttons. That flexibility makes it feel like a natural part of your website workflow. Now let's talk about some limitations. So one con is that if you don't already know what you want your content to say, AI can only take you so far. You still need a general direction or a clear topic, otherwise the content is going to feel vague. AI supports your ideas, but it doesn't replace them. Another limitation is that Bertha works best for WordPress users. That's a huge win if your site is on WordPress, but if you're using another platform like Webflow, Kajabi, or Squarespace, the workflow won't be as seamless. It's built for a specific environment and shines most inside it. And finally, while AI helps with writing speed, it's still important to edit everything and make sure the content sounds natural, stays accurate, and actually reflects your personality. AI can get close to your tone, but your touch finishes it and gives your brand its real identity. And before we wrap up, let's talk about some bonus tips you can get the most out of it. Number one is to always set your tone and brand guidelines first. Before generating content, tell Bertha the type of tone you want and give it examples of your writing. That helps the AI stay closer to your voice instead of sounding generic. Number two is to use short prompts, not paragraphs. Simple, clear requests get better results than long, complicated instructions. The more direct you are, the cleaner the writing output will feel. Number three is to outline first, generate second. Even with AI, you get better results when you map your ideas before writing. Start with a short outline, then build each section step by step. Number four is to edit in your own voice. Don't rely on AI alone to sound personal or emotional. Use the AI as a base, then tweak your sentences to feel more like you. This keeps your content relatable. Number five is to batch your writing sessions. Instead of writing one post at a time, create outlines for multiple posts, then use Bertha to fill them in. This is going to speed things up for you and keep you consistent. Number six is to still fact check and add your experience. AI tools can help generate structure, but your own insight and examples bring the actual content to life. If something's too generic, add real thoughts or quick examples. So, should you choose Bertha AI? If your site is on WordPress and you love writing inside your builder rather than jumping between tools, then Bertha just makes sense. If you're a blogger, a service provider, a business owner, or a creator who wants to publish faster without feeling stuck on every sentence, Bertha just fits that really, really well. It's especially helpful if consistency has been your biggest struggle, meaning you want to write more, but you freeze when you open a blank editor. If you already use a separate tool for writing and you're comfortable switching tabs, you might not need an integrated AI assistant. But for many WordPress users, Bertha feels like having a writing partner who helps you get moving, shape ideas, and keep your publishing schedule on track. Bertha just helps you express them much faster and with more clarity. If you want to check out Bertha and see how it fits with your workflow, make sure you use our link down in the description below. I do want to mention that these are affiliate links, which means we may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. So if you do choose to use our links, we just want to thank you so much in advance for supporting our channel. It really helps us to continue to create free content just like this. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you aren't already. And of course, leave any comments or questions below. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to reviewing AI tools in a clear and honest way so you can build, write, and create online without feeling overwhelmed or stuck. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.